What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Matt Powell and today we have some exciting stuff to open up. We got the Apple Vision Pro. It is finally here. We've been waiting months, even years for this product to come out. And finally, we got it in our hands. This is the day we get to see the Apple Vision Pro. I can't wait. I know you guys can't either, so let's hop right on into it. What we got here is the Vision Pro itself and the $200 case for it. We'll open up the case after we open up the Vision Pro. Let's move this out of the way so we got some space. Here we go, guys. Let's take it out of the bag. And here we got the box. We actually bought the 512 gigabyte version and it goes for $36.99. Apple Care is about 500 bucks, or you could pay $25 a month and you could cancel it at any time. All right, here's the box. Let's open this up. There we go. Let's get the other side. I can't believe we're actually doing this right now. And there we go. All right, now let's see. Oh, that is sick. Wow, here it is. Oh wow, it's pretty loose in here. It's actually a very snug fit. That's pretty cool. I like how this is nicely packaged. Very Apple-esque, you know? This feels... I can't believe I'm looking at this right now. It looks so clean. I don't know. I just love this thing already. Just by the looks of it, I know I'm gonna have fun with it. Let's pick this up. It's got some weight to it. The only other VR headset I've ever had was the Oculus 2. And yes, this does feel a little bit heavier. But let's see how it actually feels when you put it on. Let's take this off. Guys, we're doing it. Pretty nice fabric here. It's very soft. All right, you got a little face cover to protect the glass. Let's take this off. Oh, that's not the face cover. So this is the light seal, I believe. It's like magnetic. Oh, there it is. Yo, this looks clean. Just look at that. That's some high-tech ski goggles right here. I could see the cameras on the bottom side, but take a look at that. Right, this part's coming off again. All right, but look at this. Yo, I think you're definitely gonna want to buy the Apple Care for this, because who knows how much this is gonna cost if it breaks. Let's put the cover back on and see what else is in the box. But I could already tell this thing is gonna be fun. All right, so let's open this up. So we got some paperwork. Wow, it's nicely packaged. Okay. Here we got some instructions. What's in the box? All right, well, what else is in here? We don't get any stickers. That's quite unfortunate. Maybe it's in the other, whoops. Maybe it's in the other parts. What's in here? Oh, this might be where the, oh no, this is the polishing cloth. It's a nice cloth right here. It says Vision Pro right there. Now let's see what else is in here. Oh, they give you an extra light seal, I think. Maybe they're two different sizes. Maybe it's an extra set. Yeah, it looks like it's just an extra set. Feels nice and soft, squishy. But yeah, here it is. Oh, this is the dual loop band. Okay, he's got some instructions for you. But it seems easy enough. Let's see. I don't know, I just want to get all this stuff out of the way so we can actually have some fun using it. But yeah, here it is. We'll test this out to see how much more comfortable this is compared to the single one. I think it's going to be better for the long run, but this one just feels a lot more soft and comfortable. Oh, and we got the medium too. There we go. Let's put this away. Okay, so in here we got battery. Wow, this is kind of a heavy battery, but it's going to be in your pocket anyway, so it doesn't really matter how heavy it is. We'll see as soon as we start playing with this thing. So it's got a braided cable, and this connector here is not MagSafe. What you do is you twist. Okay, so there's a little dot right here, and you align it with a dot here and then twist. There you go, and it locks in place. You see that? But we'll take this out for now. All right, open this up. That's a nice color. Feels nice and durable. Let's put this to the side. We also get a USB-C to USB-C braided cable, and here we got a power brick. This, I believe, is a 30-watt power brick. Yep, 30 watts. So let's clear all of this away so we can start using the Vision Pro.
Hey, Future Matt here. I'm doing a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway when this YouTube channel gets to 500 subscribers. All you gotta do is subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on Insta. And now back to the video.
All right, guys, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's do it. So it's gonna be on the left side. We'll take the dot, align it up, and twist. Let's take off this top part. Won't be needing this. Now let's see. So it's a little loose. You could twist this to tighten. So now that this is tightened, I feel like it's actually not even that heavy. Just moving side to side doesn't really move it at all. I feel the pressure on my forehead a little bit, and definitely on my cheekbones right here. But other than that, I don't feel it on the sides at all, and it doesn't feel too heavy. I expected it to be, you know, a lot more uncomfortable, but it's honestly pretty damn comfortable. I could see myself going longer than 3 hours using this. I mean, the battery only says, what, 2.5 hours, I think? But, you know, plugging it in, you could get all day battery. So I feel like this is gonna be a lot more, you know, easier to wear for long term, you know? Honestly, I'm surprised. I was listening to some other reviews before, and people said that it was a heavy device. I mean, it is heavier than other, you know, headsets, VR headsets, but the cushion, I think that makes it even better. The cushion makes it feel like, you know, I mean, obviously I feel weight on it, but it's very soft. So, wow, I'm impressed. Honestly, the weight, I don't think is gonna be a problem at all. Nice, Apple, good job. And this little dial right here, this is such a nice touch to this whole, you know, design. Very easy to use rather than using the Velcro for the dual band. Now let's take a closer look at the device. So right here is the front of it, all glass. On top, you got the crown right here. Over here is the capture button. This is to take spatial video. This comes off, and this other part comes off as well. And it magnetically attaches to itself. Over here we got the two lenses. This is where you would put your inserts if you have a prescription. My prescription is actually coming in a few days. They'll be placed right in here. There's a little air vent over here. If you look closely, it says Vision Pro, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. If you look at the profile here, this is where the audio comes out of. You got one on each side. This is the point where you attach the charger. This is really soft, by the way. And if we take a look at this side, you get the same thing here with a dial to tighten or loosen your strap. And on the bottom, you got two more cameras and air vent, I believe. Now, if you want to take this off, all you gotta do is pull the tab here. It comes off right away. You can do it on this side too, right? And it just snaps back into place. There you go. You gotta put a little pressure on it. Anyways, let's pull this apart one more time, and now we can attach this. We got the medium here, and you could do the same thing to attach it. We apply a little pressure on each side. Right there, it snaps on. This side too, there we go. right? And now let's put this on. So you got the tightening over here, or you got the Velcro here. You got the Velcro over here too. And now let's attach this to my head. All right, so right off the rip, I could already tell this is a lot more comfortable, but this will definitely start annoying my head. I say I give it about an hour, maybe a little more. Wow, I was trying to find the dial over here. I think that's only for the solo band. All right, I think we're good. Yeah, this feels good. It's not as tight, but you can make it a little bit tighter over here. I definitely prefer the dial, but this will do. All right, now that we got that out of the way, I think we should open up the case. Let's go. It's all white for the most part. It's got a handle on top, and on the front, we got Vision Pro. It's very subtle too. So the outside is kind of like a jacket material, like a windbreaker type jacket. And as you can see right here, it's pretty, what's the word? Wrinkled right off the rip. This is how I got it, so I'm assuming it's gonna stay that way. And it's all white. For the most part, we got some gray accents on the zippers, and right off the rip, this feels a little tough to open up. But I don't think that'll be a problem. Just gotta break it in a little bit. So let's open this up and see what we got. The inside's kind of like a velvet feel. On the left over here, we got what looks like paperwork. Let's take a look. Yeah, so it says travel case. Do we get stickers? We do not get stickers. It just shows you how to pack it. All right, let's put this away. So over here we got one of these. Put that away. And they also provide you with a little pouch. This should be for all the accessories that you have. And here it is. Kind of like it. A little different from what you usually get. On the inside, it's got a velvet type feel. The same type of feeling that you get from the inside of the case. And you got the strings to tighten it up. So we got a little strap right here. Over here, it slides up and down. And I think what it's for is so that it could fit your Vision Pro perfectly. Obviously, you're gonna have different sizes per person. So here you could adjust it accordingly. Let's try to pack this all up. First, let's do the accessories. We got the charging brick, USB-C to USB-C, microfiber cloth. Over here, it tells you how to pack it. Oh, and I almost forgot. We actually should take a look at this so we know how to organize our travel case. Over here, it says getting started. First, you gotta pack the cover and cover up the Vision Pro. Right now it's charging, so I'm gonna detach the battery. I believe you put it upside down so that the nose is up. I think that's a good size fit. If you need to, just open up the Velcro like this, open it up and adjust it. For me, I'm pushing it nice and tight so that it doesn't move around when I'm carrying it. And just put it down, and that's pretty much it, I think. Now what else we got? So I think put this pouch right like this, right? This, I guess you could pack this up. This could be over here. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I forgot about the battery. The Apple logo goes facing towards you. So there's a little cutout right here on the bottom, you see? Take the Velcro and strap it down. So we got that perfectly aligned and snug. And now we could just add everything else. The instructions don't actually tell you where to put these, so I'm assuming you don't really need to bring these. I mean, you could, I guess, try to fit them in, but it's not something you're gonna wanna bring. I guess maybe you could put it in here somehow. Try to fit it in. Now let's close it. Okay, so I think it should be good. Now let's tighten it up. Zip it up. There we go. Let's see if it jiggles. Seems pretty snug in there. I don't think anything's gonna be moving around. Good thing, because you don't want this cracking. Oh, I should take off this little strap up here. And that's how we pack it. Oh, what I just discovered is this has a little give to it. That's pretty cool, actually. So is it worth 200? I think I'd say so. Let's see how this goes against dirt. You know, everything's white, so I'm hoping it just rubs off, but we're gonna have to find out. But yeah, that's it. It's got a good weight to it, but obviously because there's a good amount of stuff in here. That's about it. This hopefully doesn't get too dirty, and if not, I'm hoping a little bit of water will rinse right off. And finally, what we're gonna do is set this up, but I think that's gonna take a little bit longer than what we want for this one video. So stay tuned for the next coming up video. We're gonna be setting this up, using it, see what we could do within the Vision Pro, and you know, have some fun. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe, and don't forget to enter that giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, help me get to 500 subs, and follow me on Instagram. All right, good luck to everyone. Peace out, and I'll see you next time.